sa discrimination sa gender. So, pwede ba na mo maibawaan if sa imong name and diin ka nga course.
Hello, I am Jose Arden P. Villafuente and I am a first-year college student from the psychology program.
Okay, na i-ask ka na mo few questions about sa mga discrimination sa nana.
Yes, I grant you the permission to ask some questions about my experience.
Ever experience or witness a situations where there was a gender discriminations and what happened and what is your opinion about the situation?
Yes, I experienced gender discrimination way back on my high school endeavors, and I later on concluded that high school setting is a place where it liberates students to do kanang inhumane behavior such as bullying and gender discrimination. And way back in my high school endeavor, I experienced gender discrimination when there was an unequal opportunity because there was a activity in the school where it emphasizes kind of flower making competition, and when I accepted the kanang invitation to participate in the activity, I saw that kanang women dominated the activities, and kita nila nako nga nisod ko dito kay they were confused nga nganong na ako kay na murag na mix up akong gender sa ilang gender kay since women dominated activity man. So ang professor namo kay ni ask nga why I was there, and I explained nga kanang it was my passion because I love art, and kanang I heard some rumors and I heard some gibberish. I shouldn't have kind of participated on the activity because I am a man, and it was stereotype nga kanang a man cannot perform art or a man cannot love art because it is designed for women. Also, an experience nga kanang unequal opportunity katon is apply na ko for the Humanities and Social Sciences nga course for my grade 11 and grade 12 nga strand. Tapos kanang ni ana among president sa section namo pag grade 10 nga I should not kana apply for that strand kay daghan daw og arts. So the same sa kato experience akong giingon ganina pag una kay nga it's all about arts daw na pag take mo na kong STEM kay mura pod og na stereotype ang mga boys nga dili mo take og STEM kay kanang na compare man nga girls are kana much more intelligent than guys or sa mga men. So nakita po na ko dito ang gender discrimination. From what I said ganiya nga kanang high school is a setting jud that liberates students to perform bullying and gender discrimination, and kanang I think the students need more comprehension and empathy before kanang saying kanang discriminating words towards that person kay kanang the context man jud. For example lang sa ko gana nga ang context sa pagbutang nako or pagbutang kanang pagsulob nako sa pink nga t-shirt is kanang for me lang to relieve the heat atong adlaw, pero ang ma-interpret sa mga estudyante kay it's kanang a feminine thing. So I think the students needs more comprehension to interpret that thing, and kanang they also need proper discipline para lang pod dili na lang pod mo appear or dili na pod nato mo observe ang cases of gender discrimination in the school setting.
Thank you guys sa pag-participate sa amuang gibuhat na interview.